Hey, what's up, guys? It's Ray Ray. I'm gonna be doing "Human Nature" by Michael Jackson, and I hope y'all like it. So here it goes. Oh, why looking out across the nighttime? The city winks sleepless eye. Hear her voice out my window. Sweet soothing sighs. Get me out into the nighttime. Four walls won't hold me tonight. If this town is just an apple, then let me take a bite. That's why, tell 'em that it's human nature. Why does he do me like that? They say, why? Tell 'em that it's human nature. Why does he do me like that? Reaching out to touch a stranger. Electric eyes are everywhere. See that girl? She knows I'm watching. She likes the way that I stare. Say why? Tell him that it's human nature. Why does he do me like that? Don't say why? Tell him that it's human nature. Why does he do me that way? I like living this way. I like living this way. That way. Oh, why? That way. Oh, why? That way. Out across the morning. The city heartbeat begins to beat. Reaching out, I touch her shoulder. I'm dreaming of the street. They say why? Tell them that it's human nature. Why does he do me that way? If they say why? Tell them why does he do me that way? They say why? Da 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 da. Why? Hey, does he do me that way? They say why? Tell him why? Does he do me that way? Or say why? Oh, tell him why? Why does he do me that way? They say why? Da 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 da. Why does he do me that way? Like living this way, the way. Oh, why that way? Oh, why that way? Oh, why? Oh.